Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session, we discussed about strange cases of Britain and Ireland. From the Britain and Ireland cases, we understood or we came to know that uh, other than revolutionary measures, other than revolutionary methods, so these are the two different nations which became successful in making nation state, and they gave importance for adopting different means and measures in making the unity and integrity and unification of their respective nations. Then in today's session, let us discuss about the topic visualizing the nation. Visualizing means how we are giving importance to think, dream, vive about our own nations. So, from the chapter or from the concept, let us understand in 18th and 19th century, a nation particularly, it was portrayed, it was visualized as a female figure in the form of woman, in the form of female figure, but it doesn't mean that it is representing or it stood for any particular woman in real life. It's just an abstract idea of nation in concrete form. In concrete form, for example, when we think about our own nation, India, you might have noticed during the time of any national festivals. So we used to worship or pray to the portrait of Bharata Mata. So it's just an imaginary figure of woman representing nation. It doesn't mean that it is the original figure or original form of any woman in real life. Clear? So 18th and 19th century, in 18th and 19th century, nation was portrayed as a female figure, as a woman figure, and it do not stood for any particular woman in real life. It is only to give an abstract idea of a nation at concrete form. Concrete form means when we go on thinking about the nation, at least its imagination should be come in our mind. Then French Revolution, during the time of French Revolution, some of the important ideals, principles were given important, like liberty, justice, republic. So these ideas were portrayed by artists in female forms. For example, the idea of liberty, it was portrayed means painted, red cap or broken chain. Then justice, Nyaya, it was portrayed a blindfolded woman carrying a pair of waving scale. So present, this is also used in our judicial system or in our courts, and a statue which is going to be placed in front of the person, one who is sitting for giving the judgment, that is judge. So in front of that we are going to notice the image. So that is blindfolded, a black cloth tied to the eyes of woman and holding a scale in her hand. So that is the portrait representing for justice. So now let us discuss how this visualization, it was mainly witnessed in France. So in case of France, or in France case, artist portrayed France made as woman named Marine, Marianne, Marine, with red cap and tricolor and a cockade, a knot of ribbon worn in hat. So let me show you the image of marine. So here this is the image made by artist, portrait of marine. So this is mainly the image used for national image in France. So this is mainly represented with red cap, then tricolor, then a cockade, a ribbon tied, worn to her hat. Then a statue of marine were erected means ಕೆತ್ತೋದು, ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, in public squares to remind the public, to make to create the sense of national identity among the people. So marine image, even it was marked or punched on coins as well as on stamps also. So here it is in the case of France. So France, its imagination or its identity, it was mainly given in the form of a portrait imagination or portrait of a woman named Marine with red cap, tricolor and cockade, and this was mainly erected in public square so that people can remind about marine, and even it was given importance for marking, punching the image same in coins and stamps also. So this is the image portrait of marine, national figure of France. So in case of Germany, so about Germany and how the visualization of nation, it was mainly witnessed, found in Germany. So about that we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So let me stop today's session. So take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe, and keep regular touch with all the subjects without wasting time. Thank you one and all.